Welcome! If you want these nice styled and high converting forms, contact form 7 forms, then stay in the video. We will do everything and we will get through it step by step. So welcome to the first video. I will do it slowly so you can access your own WordPress backend like me and just go step by step with me. So we open WordPress backend, go to plugins, add new, and search for Wow Styler. Install now. And activate. Here, when you opt in, you have the possibility to test all the features for free. Yeah, we remind you, if you don't have Contact Form 7 installed or activated, we just click and it will done for you. So that's our styler. That's good. So you see here some default nice style. So that's the default default Contact Form 7 style, and that's our default style already. So I love it already. But what is with backgrounds, multiple themes, multiple styles for each form? So you can have a lot of forms. I show you more in a second. Just apply for the trial and I show you the difference. Oh, I applied already for the trial. And so what you can do, you can style unlimited forms. That's very important. So what can be a form? You can have a form for quote, one for support, one for appointment, one for registration, one for apply a job. So every form, I feel, should be styled and also have a background image with opacity, so make it a bit more transparent and beautifully. So you can start with one single site and then just upgrade. Just make sure you have with your account, your profile, always the same email address. Okay. Well, like I talked, super individual and attracting forms, multiple style schemes, background image, and even GIF animations, because GIF is also a picture. Imagine you have like something moving in the background. That could be very appealing and very driving you conversions. That means people who are using your form. And that's what you need. A form that's people like and use and trust. And that could be with a good styled form. And also, pro feature is page builder compatible. Most of the page builder cut out styles loaded in the head, so in the beginning of the website, and we load it through the body. So when you use like page builder like Elementor or Strive Architect, then the form is not styled, and you will say, oh, our plugin is not working. But no, we have for this special mode to load it in body, and then your styles are there again. And also we have, if you have a long list, style boxes and buttons. So you have like radio buttons for 1, 2, 3, and normally they go 1, 2, 3 to the right. And if you have like 5 of them, then they go on the next line, and it's not looking good. So we can have them one by one in a line. So for me, that's good. And then just start a free trial. Okay. Enter your credentials, but here it says you will be not charged until this. So it's like 14 days, and we will send a reminder via email, and that's good. start trial and subscribe. And you make sure you confirmed your email address. That's helping. So that's beautiful. That's good. That's the first step. And for me, very important, we placed here, that's contact form 7. We placed a styler below this menu. So if you go to dashboard, then you go to contact, and then you go to the styler. So welcome to the full version. And you see, wow. Wow. That's already something in the background. And that's the difference. I love it. I love it. So you see, I love it. Wow, that's a light wooden picture in the back, and it's looking really, really nice instead of this. So if you didn't do, just do it. I love it. So for more styles, see you in the next video.